Hello, welcome back to my YouTube family. Hopefully, you are all fine. So, guys, today I will here to check how to use and how to work a Google Chrome. Actually, there is a first section. This is called a new tab. I will mention you here. This is a new tab, and if I click on it in plus section, it is also make a new tab. It is also a new tab. It means these all are new tabs, okay? And here are some things in setting, and it is also called the bookmark. It is also called the search URL. Here also you can search a URL. It is easier to use, and there are some shortcuts as you can see here. There are shortcuts. It is also called a bookmark. Sorry, this is are the bookmarks. I will bookmark here for remember what I use and how I reach it immediately. So I open here a new tab. So you can search anything what you want here. And bookmark, there are some setting of Google Chrome. As you can see, I click here on three dots. This is a new tab. Control tree is the shortcut key of open a new tab. If I press Control T, then you can see there are open a new tab. Yeah, like this. But when you have no mouse, you can use the shortcut key. New window, Control N. If I click new window is open, but I no need for new window. And the second is incognito window. Incognito window is the most important feature of Google Chrome where you can not see any third party. Control Shift N. When I press Control Shift N here, you can see you are gonna incognito mode. Here you can do all the working, but no third party will access. You can save from hackers, and your browsing history is also saved here. Your employer, school, it means your all the documents are saved here. All the working and all the things that you done here will save here. There are a history of your Google Chrome, and there are the download of your Google Chrome. As you can see here, my download section open here, and it's bookmarks. What is bookmark? Bookmark is the tab. Bookmark this tab. Show bookmark. If I click on it, don't show bookmarks. Bookmark manager, there are some bookmarks, other bookmarks no, so all the bookmarks are shown here. So guys, the next is zoom. If I click in on it, you can see it will be zoom in, and this is zoom out. Yeah, this, but I no need. I'm also use on 100. And if you use in full screen, you can click here in full screen, and you can go cross and cross it. Once again, there is an option for print, cast, find anything what you want. More tools. It is a new video for what is developer tool, and what is there is an edit, cut, copy, paste option. Here are the some setting of Google Chrome. You can see you are in Google autofill, password and privacy, clear browsing history, guides, keys, and there is an I'll say other video for this part. So hopefully you understand today's topic and today's video. So kindly subscribe my channel and also like my video, and we will match in another video. Take care and bye bye.